Your fear of failing again is valid. But what if this time is different? I totally get it. And I failed before too. I remember before starting my online business, I tried so many side hustles, so many things just to bring in some extra cash. And it didn't work. But until I found a proven system that changed everything for me. A 2 hour workday that showed me step by step how I could resell done for you digital products, making 100% profit by just using my phone. I don't even need a laptop, no guesswork, no starting from scratch. The best part is this program doesn't just show me how to make money, but also showed me how I could attract my daily paying customer to me without burning out. So again, what if this time is different? I was scared, I was clueless, I never done anything in an online space before. But what I do know was I had a step-by-step proven system that will show me exactly what I need to do to start earning in dollars as a stay-at-home mommy. 22 months in my program, I replaced my husband's overtime income with my 2 hour workday. I don't leave my house to earn online. And I'm working around my family. How amazing is that? If you want to know more about the system that I follow, and so many other moms follow, so many other parents follow, put a word me in my comments, and I will love to share all the details with you.